The Pneumatic Gripper Force Calculator determines the grip force and air pressure needed for reliable part handling in automated systems. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a gripper-type drop-down menu with 3 options: 2-jaw parallel, 3-jaw concentric, and 4-jaw angular. For this demonstration, I'm using 2-jaw parallel. Next, enter the part weight in pounds. I'm inputting 10 pounds. The acceleration field asks for G's with a default of 1. I'll keep this at 1 G for standard conditions. The friction coefficient M has a default of 0.3, which represents typical metal-on-metal contact. Finally, the safety factor defaults to 2, which I'll maintain for reliable operation. After clicking Calculate Gripper Force, we get our results. The required grip force is 22.22 pounds. This is the minimum force each gripper jaw must apply to securely hold our 10-pound part. The estimated air pressure shows 4.4 psi, telling us the pneumatic pressure needed to achieve this grip force. These values account for the acceleration, friction, and safety factor we specified, ensuring your gripper won't drop parts during operation. This calculator streamlines pneumatic gripper selection and setup. Find the link in the description below.